Hello guys, how are you today? This is just a tutorial. So section your hair. Section 2 front parts. We're just going to put it into a ponytail to keep it separate from everything. Just preheat your irons. I put mine to max. Only do that if you want to risk your hair. But anyway, start curling. Just keep on curling. I've got a tutorial about how to curl your hair if you're having trouble, so I will link that down below. I go into quite some detail, if I do say so myself. Just keep curling your hair. Just curling. You know, curls get the girls, you know. So this hairstyle is probably good for, you know, kawaii fashion, Lolita, all that kind of jazz. I don't know. I'm not an expert, says she who went to hairdressing school. So yeah. Now turn off the power because we're safe here. We can turn it back on later, but we don't need to do any more curling right yet. So what we're going to do is split the hair into 2 even parts, put them in pigtails and fishtail braid. Now there's plenty of tutorials out there about fishtail braids, but like, you know, if you guys want me to make one, I'm not going to be like, no. I'm doing them quite thick here, but usually you would do fishtails a lot thinner. I just wanted them thick for this look. I sort of pulled them out a little bit too. Now we're curling the fringe downwards towards the nose. That way your fringe isn't straight. And then I did curl underneath. Here's a few photos of my face. You get to see my face being dorky, taking photos for Instagram. If you like this video, feel free to like and subscribe, and all handles are down below if you want to follow my Instagram too.